We're now doing question 8 on the non-calculator section. It says two numbers, n and p, are plotted on the number line shown. The numbers n minus p, n plus p, and p minus n will be plotted on the number line. Select an expression from each drop-down menu to make this statement true. So, what you can do here is you can substitute n and p. You would give n and p a number, okay, or an integer. So look at n. N is between 0 and -1. So we're going to just pick any numerical value that's between 0 and -1. So I chose -0.5. And then p is between 0 and 1. So I chose 0.5 for p, okay? Now we're going to look at the paper here. As you can see, I put here that n is going to represent -0.5 and p is going to represent 0.5. So the first equation was n minus p. So I did -0.5 minus 0.5 because that would be n minus p. It equals -1. Then I did n plus p. -0.5 plus -0.5 is equal to 0. Then I did p minus n. 0.5 minus -0.5 will give you 1. Now this is non-calculator. So remember, this first equation here, you're dealing with a negative integer minus a positive integer. That's going to make it a negative. Then the second equation, you're dealing with a negative and a positive, which combine to make 0. The third equation, you're dealing with a positive minus a negative, which would make it a positive, because remember, negative and negative make positive. So based off of that, you're going to go to the drop down menu, and it says the number with the least value is, and we're going to select n minus p, because if you come back here, we see that n minus p was -1, which is the smallest or the least value out of all the equations. And then we're going to pick the number with the greatest value is p minus n. Because if we look here, we see that the number with the greatest value here was p minus n, which equal to 1.